Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's swipe down from the top right side of the screen like this, and this will bring down all the toggles. Now I already know that Do Not Disturb mode is not one of the toggles that is added by default, so we will need to do that ourselves by clicking on the edit button at the bottom of the list. And this will show you right here all the toggles that are turned off, so we can add them. And you can see the Do Not Disturb mode is right here. Looks like a moon icon and has a shortening D&D for Do Not Disturb mode. So we're going to click on the plus, and this zips up to the top. You can now click on the check mark, and you can see we have it added now in here. So in this toggle list right here, first time I recommend holding it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Though there isn't very many settings by the looks of it, it's still nice to see how it's set by default and maybe changing some of the ones that you want to change. Important options in here will be things like notify about calls, so you can change who can call you while the mode is enabled, and you have options between anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. And there's an additional option below that, notify about repeated callers, meaning that if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, you will know about it. And this option basically bypasses whatever you have selected above. And another interesting option here is for the Do Not Disturb mode to only run when you're not using the device, so when it's locked. Anyway, once you set it all up, actually before I do so, there's one last option here, which is the schedule turn on timer. So here you can select a fully automatic schedule, and you can select name, start, end time, and also days of the week. When you create one, it automatically will become enabled right here. But as you can see, this one starts at 11 p.m. So we're not there yet. But once 11 rolls around, it will automatically turn it on. But otherwise, for people that want to enable this manually themselves, find the toggle and simply tap on it, and you can see D&D is now on. And one more thing to remember is when you enable it manually like this, you will also need to remember to turn it off yourself. Otherwise, this mode will run indefinitely in the background. So you can turn it off by tapping on this toggle for the second time, and this will turn it off. So with that being said, hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.